Hello and welcome to another episode of Colorful Finance. In this video we will reveal to you the highest paying affiliate programs in the internet. Stay focused as this video is a part from an ongoing series. Now let's begin the video. Even if you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out, it's a good idea to look for high-paying affiliate programs. In the end, you're in this for a specific purpose, to earn a living. Top-paying affiliate programs make a lot of sense. If promoting a product that pays $100 commission takes the same amount of time and effort as promoting one that pays $10 commission, why not follow the money? Finding the best affiliate marketing programs is like searching for a needle in a haystack because there are thousands of niches to choose from. Fortunately, we've crunched the numbers and identified the highest-paying affiliate programs. The best affiliate programs for making money online. We place a high value on finding the best possible affiliate offers for our clients. It's completely free to join all of the affiliate programs on this list. See which affiliate programs pay the most money by watching this list. Continue inquiring into the rationale behind each candidate's selection. SEMrush. SEMrush is a well-known name in the digital marketing world. There are over 7 million marketers using its extensive set of digital marketing tools, which includes everything from keyword research and competitive analysis to social media management and content distribution. SEMrush's products are used by 1 in every 4 of the Fortune 500. No wonder affiliate commissions are so enticing for the brand with such a strong draw. When a new subscriber signs up, affiliates get paid $200. They get paid $10 for each new lead. They get paid a mere 1 cent. 27 days after the end of the month, commissions are paid out. Up to $200 in commissions. Cookie life expectancy, 120 days. SiteGround. First of many web hosting companies to be included in our list of high-paying affiliate programs. It's no surprise that so many web hosting providers made the cut because the industry is expected to be worth more than $100 billion by 2025. A customer satisfaction rate of 99.7% is a good sign for SiteGround, which has more than 2 million customers relying on its services. Depending on how many people you refer to SiteGround, you can earn a varying percentage of the money they make from them. For every new customer you bring in, you'll get €75 in commission. Anyone who joins SiteGround's affiliate program receives a free month of hosting to test out the platform. Charge for services rendered, €75 maximum. Liquid Web has a cookie duration of 60 days. Liquid Web is a web hosting platform, just like many of the affiliate marketing companies on this list. In addition to managing more than 500,000 websites, it has more than 45,000 customers around the world. With a minimum payout of $150, its in-house affiliate program is powered by the Impact Radius affiliate network and pays commissions of 150% of the monthly hosting cost. For every $29 managed WordPress customer you refer with one site, you'll get $150 in commission. You'll make an additional $600 if the customer opts for the $400 monthly package. To top it all off, prepaid plans are eligible for a 50% discount. Affiliates of Liquid Web also benefit from early notice of special sales and promotions, as well as from a personal affiliate manager. 150% of the total commission. The cookie lasts 90 days. Bluehost. Starting at €3.23 a month, Bluehost offers WordPress hosting for the popular blogging platform. More than 2 million websites rely on its 750-strong staff, which is on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Bluehost's affiliate program pays out $65 for every qualified hosting purchase you refer, despite its extremely low pricing. Because it paid out more than $5 million in commissions in the last year alone, that's clearly an appealing prospect for the average affiliate marketer. The Bluehost website has a simple form for signing up, or you can use CJ Affiliate. The commission rate is $65 per sale. Cookie life expectancy, 60 days. 𝐥𝐤𝐤. To get you started, here are some hints. The entry-level single shared hosting package costs just $1.39 per month, making it a low-cost hosting provider like Bluehost. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐤 has 29 million customers in 178 countries, and 98% of them say their service is excellent in the latest round of web hosting top trumps. As with Bluehost, the low prices of 𝐽𝐽 aren't reflected in the company's affiliate program's stingy commission rates, which pay out at least 60% of every sale referred. A personal affiliate marketing account manager is also available to assist you in getting the most out of your marketing efforts. It may take up to 3 business days for an application to be reviewed after it is submitted via an easy online form. A 60% commission is expected. 30-day expiration period for cookies. HostGator. With a history dating back to 2002, HostGator is practically a dinosaur in the world of web hosting companies. At the time of this writing, it is hosting over 2 million websites, ensuring 99.9% uptime and providing a free domain registration for the first year. The HostGator affiliate program is based on sliding commission rates and is powered by affiliate network Impact Radius. There are 2 types of affiliates, those who bring in between 1 and 5 sales per month, and those who bring in 21 or more sales per month. It takes 2 months and 10 days to receive your money. HostGator's 45-day money-back guarantee is designed to help you get a lot of clicks on your affiliate links, so that might sound a little long. Up to $125 in commissions. 60-day shelf life. Cloudways. Cloudways is a web hosting company, but this time it's geared toward individuals, small and medium-sized businesses, and agencies. It manages more than 250,000 websites across 60 data centers and has a 94.7% customer satisfaction rating. Incredibly well done. There are 5 industry-leading infrastructures available through Cloudways, including Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud Engine. Cloudways affiliate program offers a variety of commission models for affiliates to choose from. There are 2 options for making money. You can either earn up to $125 per sale, or you can take $30 plus a 7% lifetime commission and enjoy the benefits of passive income. Up to $125 in commissions. Elementor's cookie life is 90 days. To our disbelief, Elementor does not serve as a platform for hosting. Instead, it's a WordPress-specific web development tool. There are more than 3,000 5-star reviews for this WordPress plugin, which is one of the most popular in the top 15 most popular plugins. That means it has a well-known brand name, which makes it a lot easier for an affiliate marketer to sell. It's just as easy to understand Elementor's affiliate program commission rates as it is to use the page building tool. You get 50% of the sales you bring in. There's a lot of money to be made here, especially if prices go all the way up to $999 a year. 50% commission. 30 days is the expected shelf life of the cookies. Sendinblue. Sendinblue, like 𝐦𝐨𝐫𝐞, provides a comprehensive set of marketing tools. Over 175,000 companies around the world rely on it to run their email marketing, manage customer relationships, build high-converting landing pages, and a whole lot more. The Sendinblue affiliate program allows you to earn €5 commissions every time you refer a user who signs up for a Sendinblue account, as well as an additional €100 if that user purchases a subscription from your referral. Sendinblue's email service is a great deal because it allows you to entice customers with a low-commitment offer. One thing to keep in mind, you won't be able to earn commissions until your account has been validated by referring at least one new paid subscription. A commission of €100 per sale. The cookie lasts 90 days. HubSpot. The founders of HubSpot are considered to be the fathers of inbound marketing, and they literally wrote the book on the subject. HubSpot's marketing software is used by over 113,000 customers in more than 120 countries to generate leads, nurture them through the buyer's journey, and close sales. Every HubSpot user will agree that it's an excellent tool, but the price tag is prohibitive for most people. There is a lot of money to be made with a commission structure that is based on the first purchase and product tier of the customer. Basic/beginner, $250, Professional/CMS, $500, Large scale, $1,000. This affiliate program has a lot of room for cross-selling products as well. Referring a customer who purchases both Marketing Starter and Sales Professional at once will earn you $250 and $500 respectively. Freebies like demo videos, banners, examples of copywriting, and landing pages are given to marketers in order to entice readers to click on their affiliate links. The maximum commission is $1,000. The cookie lasts 90 days. Get response. Sending emails, creating landing pages, and automating digital marketing tasks are all made simple with GetResponse. Astonishingly, its email marketing software powers an incredible 764,556,063 emails per week, making it a massive deal. An affiliate program that pays a one-time $100 commission for new customers and a third party that pays a 33% share of ongoing subscription revenue are two of GetResponse's most lucrative affiliate programs. However, each model has a different lock period and commissions are paid monthly around the 20th of each month. Affiliate marketers have access to a dedicated support team and business advice from the brand's affiliate manager in order to boost sales and generate revenue. GetResponse's website or the 𝐥𝐤𝐤 affiliate network can be used to sign up for the service. Recurring offer, 100% commission or 33% commission. Cookie life expectancy, 120 days. Fiverr. Freelancers can find work on Fiverr in more than 300 different types of digital services. There is a lot of opportunity for affiliate marketers to make money with this affiliate program. There is also no referral cap on Fiverr, and the attribution is good for life. The commissions for each of its products and services vary widely due to the wide variety of its verticals and target audiences. You can earn anywhere between $15 and $150 for each action you take with Fiverr CPA, which is the most straightforward option. A 50% commission on sales of &CO. 30% of every course order from Learn from Fiverr. $100 upfront and a 10% revenue share on Fiverr for a year. Incorporated sales. The maximum commission is $1,000. Lifetime attribution and no referral limit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.